Yes.
If you haven't, shrimp cooks very fast. So what we're going to do is to sear the shrimp. We're going to wait until the pan gets hot first. Then with a little oil, we're going to pour the shrimp in. Salt and pepper right away. And then we need to continuously flip them, flip them, flip them, flip them, flip them, flip them, flip them. But we're only cooking the shrimp like that halfway done. Because then we're going to start making the sauce in the same pan and we have to finish them in the sauce before we overcook the shrimp. Okay? So right now, everybody, have a sip of your drink because the pan is not hot enough. Then you add a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay? Tablespoon.
Tablespoon, hun. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Tablespoon of olive oil in the pan right now.
Right now.
Spread it out.
Yee-hee, tequila.
And we're going all together with the shrimp in